The bald eagle's scientific name, Haliaeetus leucocephalus, is a bird of prey that is found in North America. It is a symbol of the United States and is featured on the country's official seal. Bald eagles have brown feathers on their body and a white head and tail. They have a wingspan of up to 7 feet (2.1 meters) and can weigh up to 14 pounds (6.3 kilograms). They mainly feed on fish, but also eat small mammals and birds. Bald eagles are known for their keen eyesight and powerful talons, which they use to catch their prey. They are also known for their distinctive high-pitched call.